Hello, my name is Ashley Flanagan. I'm a professional stylist at Norris Salon and Day Spa in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to be styling long, loose, wavy hair. What we're going to do for shampooing is we're going to use a moisturizing shampoo. This is going to hydrate his hair and help soften the curls. For Marco's hair, we're going to use a light conditioner, not too heavy. We don't want his roots to be too oily from the conditioner, but we want the ends to have a little bit of moisture on them so they don't frizz up. With Marco, after using the hydrating shampoo and the light conditioner, which the light conditioner is really good because you don't want your roots to be too oily with wavy hair, because you want to have a little volume on top of your scalp. So what we're going to use is we're going to use a little bit of the Mousse Forte. It's a stronger hold mousse. Any kind of mousse is good. Try to get the stronger hold mousse. So you want to shake it up, spray it in your hand, like 2 snowball effects big. You're going to rub it in your hand almost like a lotion. You're going to take it and you're going to start at the top, because what mousse does is it absorbs the oil on your scalp to create more volume on top. Starting in the front and working back. After that, you want to take a brush and brush through the product. With Marco's hairline, I'm going to create more of an offset hairline, not right down the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a wave in the beginning of his hair. And same with the other side. And what this wave does is, having loose, curly, wavy hair, is it starts to form a uniform look in the front, creating it more wavy on top. Since it is longer, it starts to become straighter when it dries. So when you dry it with a shape around the face, you're going to get more of a wave up here and not just down here. You're then going to take the blow dry on low heat and start to blow dry the top, lifting the back up higher to create some volume. When blow drying longer wavy hair, you want to place your hand on the hair, keeping it in one motion as you blow dry the water out of it. Pinching at the front of the forehead, lifting the hair higher. That is a great way to blow dry your wavy hair. After blow drying Marco's hair, I use the microfiber web, which is not a gel but not a wax. It's in between. As it separates, it looks like a web. With using the microfiber web, what it does is it separates the hair. Because of the length that it's so long, it tends to pull some of the wave out of the hair. I'm using this microfiber to create more of the height up top and hold, and also scrunching the bottom of his hair to create more of a uniformed curl. And that is the way to style long, loose, wavy hair.